diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than checks. All I really wanna see is the...
Hey guys, my name is Jade Ponce and welcome back to my channel. So I know I've really been a ghost lately, but I've just been working so much and I really needed just to play some music, fill my oats, get into it, do my makeup. I wanted to do something extra colorful and I think we succeeded. I want to get back into filming, so please let me know what you guys want to see on my channel. I've gone back and forth certain types of videos, but I think the best way is for you guys to comment down below, let me know what you want. So rude. And I just feel like the best way is for you guys to comment down below and let me know what you want to see. So like I said, today's video is just going to be on this makeup. I did film a few other videos. I wasn't sure if I was going to put them out, but if you guys want to see them, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see how I got this colorful extra money look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so with my skin and eyes already prepped, I'm going in with this NYX Primeval Red eyeshadow. I don't even know if that's the real name of it, and I'm pretty sure they discontinued it, but I'm going to take this into my crease, really building up the intensity. I started off with this orange shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I really wasn't feeling it, so I switched to the hot pink, and I was really glad I did. It blended out the shadow perfectly, exactly what I needed. Then with this deeper purple shade, I'm going to really buff that into my entire crease. So starting in the inner and outer corners, really building up that intensity and taking it throughout the crease. Then with the smaller Jaclyn Hill brush, I'm going in and with a little bit of black, I'm going to deepen that darkest part. That's exactly where our cut crease is going to go. Speaking of, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and start to really cut that crease. You guys take your time, fix it as you go. I know it can be stressful, but if you just take your time and work with it, I promise you it will work out. Most of these looks, you guys, are going to look pretty crazy until the absolute end, so don't get scared. Just keep going. You can do it. I just took a little bit of that black on the outer corner, then taking that hot pink shade again, and then really packing that onto my lid. And as you guys can see, my crease isn't perfect, so I'm going in with a little bit, a very fine detailed brush, and I'm going to slowly start to really define that crease, really cut it and make it nice and deep. Taking my favorite Neutrogena wipe, I'm going to wipe off any fallout that we had. You guys, I've been loving this foundation. It's the Conceal and Define foundation from Makeup Revolution. I wear the shade 12, and I've only been wearing this. You guys, it's so good. Nice full coverage, matte finish. It's long wearing. You guys, I'm obsessed. And only for $12? Come on. And I'm just using my Real Technique sponge to help blend that out. It really does soak up any excess product and blend it out so beautifully. Then with the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the shade Espresso, I'm going to cream contour. And then I'm going to take this duo fiber brush from Morphe and help blend that out. I've recently switched to this brush and I'm obsessed with you guys. It works so good. Blends it out perfectly without disrupting the makeup underneath. Then with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination and the Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer from Too Faced, I'm going to start off with the IT one. It's in the shade Tan. It's super nice and brightening and light reflective. It's really gorgeous. I even love to wear it by itself. But since I'm extra today, I'm going to take that Too Faced concealer and really add that coverage and that nice yellow warm undertone to my look. With that Makeup Revolution baking powder in the shade Banana, I'm going to really set underneath all of those highlighted areas. And you guys, I really press this stuff in. If you guys have a problem with pores, try to really pack that powder in because it's going to make it nice and flawless. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Too Faced translucent powder in the shade Medium. Then with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette, I'm going to use that shade and contour and define and get it nice and precise. Then with the smaller brush, I'm going to start contouring my nose, starting with the tip of my nose and then the bridge, making it nice and sharp. And then I've really been into contouring my lips lately. And I know that sounds kind of weird, but it really does make such a difference. Even though I do have lip fillers, I really like a nice pronounced lip. Then with that baking powder again, with my same sponge, I'm going to go in and really tighten and brighten all of my highlighted areas underneath the eyes, down the nose, and the cheekbones. Then I like to take a duo fiber brush and really dust away that powder. Give them a nice comb through. And then with the Cabral pomade from Benefit in the shade 5, I'm going to start to fill those in. I really get most of my brow out of this product. I love it because it's super long wearing. It looks nice and natural. It stays put. It's really easy to work with. But then when I want to get nice and precise, I'm going to take the Precisely My brow pencil and then go in and just fine tune a little bit. Get all the little spots I couldn't reach with the brush. And with a little bit of concealer, this is the Anastasia concealer in the shade 3.75. I'm going to just clean up and sculpt my brows. Then just taking my finger and blending out the edges, making sure it's nice and smooth. I'm just taking a little bit of that pink shade that we used in the beginning, and I'm going to dust that across the edges, making sure it's nice and blended. Taking that purple shade on a smudger brush, I'm going to really buff that underneath my lower lash line, taking it from outer corner to inner corner, making it super smoky. Then I'm taking Night Moth lip pencil, yes I said lip pencil, in my waterline to make a nice dark. Then taking that brush I had my black on and really smoking that out. I'm going to take a fluffy smudge brush and really shadow and really dust that pink shade underneath the lower lash line. I've been really into a super smoked out lower lash line lately. Then with that dual fiber brush again, I'm going to dust away all of that baking powder. We don't need it anymore. And make sure you guys are really buffing that in. I'm taking the Morphe Set and Prep. I don't even know if that's the real name of it, but I'm going to spray my face. I've been really liking this lately. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia Amrezy highlight, which is coming back. Thank you very much. And I'm going to highlight my face for the gods using the Anastasia highlight brush. I like to take it really high up on my cheekbone and really dust out those edges from my eyeshadow. It really does help create a gradient look. And doing the same thing with a nice detailed brush, I'm going to take it on my brow bone, my nose, and then that very center of my nose bridge. Also, in the inner corners, gotta get that light everywhere you go. Just gonna pop on a quick coat of Gimme Brow from Benefit. It's in the shade 5. Then I'm gonna touch up that pink shade that's on my lid. I'm gonna take the Balm Schwing eyeliner. It's just a beautiful black matte eyeliner. And do nothing crazy. I'm just gonna line my top waterline. And then I'm gonna use a quick coat of Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara to darken my lashes. Taking a little bit more of that black, packing it on for the maximum smokiness. Then just going to pop on a little bit of blush from, this is the Berry Blush Trio from Anastasia. And then a quick dusting of Becca's Infiniment Sun bronzer. I've been obsessed with this color lately. It's so beautiful. I still love my MAC Gimme Sun, but this one's just so gorgeous. I'm going to pop on Lily Lashes, the Foam Ink Lashes in the shade Miami. Style Miami. And you guys, at first, when I put these on, I was like, these are too long, kind of crazy, but they're so beautiful with a nice smoky eye. I did pop on extra coat of mascara on my bottom lashes because these top lashes are huge. I said that so weird. I'm going to use Cork Lip Liner from MAC and then No Shade Lipstick from the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie collection. I think the shade is discontinued and I'm so sad and I never want to let it go. It's so beautiful. All right, so this is the finished look. You guys, all I've been doing is colorful eyeshadow lately, and I am obsessed. I just love color. And I never thought my neutral ass would ever say that, but like I said in the beginning, please let me know what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I love you guys so much, and remember to keep your happiness first. Bye guys, see you soon.